Hey guys, today we'll see how to win vouchers, coupons, rewards and redeem them instantly. Hello, welcome to Flying Skies 1. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? As you see in the picture, we have redeemed 50% off vouchers of Big Basket. As you see here, we've got 50% off on minimum order value 300, and we have got this Country Delight free membership voucher plus cashback of 120 rupees. Now I'll show you how to win vouchers. Go to Cred app, and let me tell you, if you're a new user to Cred, you can go check my link in the description box to get a free gift and a detailed video also. I'll put it over there, you can check out. As you see in the picture, you can go to Cred app and click on rewards. Click on coins. Once you click on coins, a coin generator will be opened up for you, and once you click on tab, you can win coins. These coins will help us to win vouchers, money, rewards and coupons. Okay, here I have won 12,000 coins. Now you can come back and win rewards every day. You can click on claim now. Once you click on that, you have 10 spins, so you can play daily if you want to win coins, rewards, vouchers, gifts. As you see in the picture, you have to tap on spin 10 times. Here I have one voucher and coins. You have this Country Delight vouchers also. You can click on claim and pull the Country Delight logo down as shown in the video. Once you do that, a voucher code will be revealed. Here you have got 120 rupees cashback and a free VIP membership. As you see in the picture, I have one here Country Delight coupon. I'll provide these coupons also in description box. If you want, you can check out and apply the code while placing the order on Country Delight. Okay, get back, and you have many other vouchers here. You can check it out on your app, and these voucher codes are unique from user to user. I've got here Myntra voucher also. I have not yet redeemed. If any of you want, I'll provide the voucher code in the description box. You can apply the code on Myntra checkout. If you are placing order on Myntra, you'll be getting 300 off on your order value. As you see in the picture, I've got here Big Basket coupon also, and which I have redeemed as shown in the beginning of the video. I've told you I've got 50% off on my 300 rupees order value on Big Basket. As you see here, you can copy the Big Basket voucher code on Cred app. Go to Tata New app. If you don't have Tata New app, you can download the app. You have A to Z shopping right from grocery to gold. Now you can go for Big Basket. As I've got coupon here, you can click on Big Basket to redeem the voucher and get your grocery on 50% off on order value 300. As you see in the picture, you can go to menu and click on the offers on Big Basket and add to cart as shown in the picture the products you want. Once you add to the cart, now click on cart. Once you click on cart, click on proceed to payment. Once you click on that, you got to click on apply voucher. So previously you have copied a voucher on Cred app. You paste it as shown in the picture. You can see here I've got 150 off on applying the voucher. Now click on place order and pay. That's it, done. Your order is placed. You have got free delivery on all orders, and after placing the order, you can win Tata New coins. On every order, one new coin is equal to 1 rupee. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.